Good morning, students. Today we will discuss about the finite difference scheme for nonlinear boundary value problems. In the earlier lectures, we discussed about the numerical solution of linear boundary value problem. We have discussed about two methods. First is finite difference method of second order, and the second is finite difference method of fourth order, which is known as numerical method. Now today we will discuss the finite difference scheme for nonlinear boundary value problem. Let us consider for the numerical solution of the nonlinear boundary value problem of the type y double dash x equal to f of x comma y. Here y depends on x. X belongs to closed interval a comma b with boundary conditions when x equal to a, y equal to capital A, and when x equal to b, y equal to b. We observe that here the boundary conditions are given at the end points of the interval. Therefore, this is known as two-point boundary value problem. The differential equation first has a unique solution. First, equation first has a unique solution if del f by del y is greater than or equal to 0 for x belongs to closed interval a comma b. Now we approximate the differential equation first by the following difference scheme. Now we approximate the differential equation first by the following difference scheme. Which is y j minus 1 minus yj plus j plus 1 equals to, this is h square, this is b y j minus 1 double dash plus e y j double dash plus f y j plus 1 double dash with the boundary conditions y0 equals to a and yn equals to b. Here j equals to 1, 2, 1, 2 and so on, n minus 1. This is the finite difference scheme. If we choose where d plus e plus f equal to 1 and equals to F. If this is the third, if we choose D equal to 0, if we choose D equal to 0, then the difference scheme third is a finite difference scheme of order 2, and if we choose and if we take D equals to 1 by 12, then we get the finite difference scheme of order 4. This is yj minus 1 minus 2yj plus yj plus 1 equals to h square by 12. This is yj minus 1 double dash plus 10 yj double dash plus yj plus 1 double dash, which is known as numerical method. Therefore, from the finite difference scheme third, we can get the second order method, finite difference scheme of second order, and finite difference scheme of fourth order, which is known as the numerical method. Furthermore, the finite difference scheme yj minus 2yj plus this is yj plus 1 equals to h square into d yj minus 1 double dash plus e yj double dash plus f yj plus 1 double dash. This finite difference scheme has a system of j equals to 1, 2 and so on n minus 1, has a system of n minus 1 non-linear algebraic equations in n minus 1 unknowns y, j, or where j equal to 1, 2 and so on n minus 1. This system of n minus 1 non-algebraic equations can be solved by the Newton's Raphson method for the system of nonlinear equations. And because we know that the rate of convergence of the general Newton-Raphson method is quadratic, so therefore these nonlinear algebraic equations can be solved by Newton's Raphson method. After every step, we can iterate this method and we can repeat the Newton's Raphson method until we get the desired accuracy. So this is the finite difference scheme for the non-linear boundary value problem of the type y double dash equal to f of x comma y. Thank you. Have a nice day.